I make our own french fries in our house. You might think like, oh, I don't have the time for that. So easy, so don't be intimidated by it. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is. Even the ones that have like minimal ingredients at the store still have like different oils and stuff in it. I've just never found like a good frozen french fry. Just need one of these little chopper thingies and an air fryer. Or you can put these in your oven, I should add. But I love my air fryer. The potato wedged in there. And then just going to keep going. And then the entire potato. Ta-da! Full on french fries. It's also super cost effective. This was, which is like all that I'm probably gonna make for my kids, was 2 potatoes. It was a little olive oil. You can kind of use whatever oil you want. Sometimes I do avocado and salt. Need my air fryer. We're going in.